Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Squishies. We've got Squish, Delish, Costume Cuties from Soft and Slow Squishies, Smooshy Mushy Besties, Squishmallows, and My Little Pony the Movie, Fabsomes. Squishmallows have become one of my new favorites. Squishmallows. I've heard them pronounced a ton of different ways, but they're kind of like marshmallows. I mean, they've even got a picture of a marshmallow right there. So we should call them Squishmallows. Squishmallow. Marshmallow, Squishmallow. Yeah. Whatever they are called, they are super squishy and super soft. I first discovered these at Five Below over the holiday season. They were just $5. I believe this is considered an 8-inch Squishmallow. Here is an adorable little fox and a hedgehog. Hedgehogs are so cute. Then I discovered that there are larger ones. Purple unicorn and a cat. These are labeled 13 inches. I found this one at Walmart for $9.99 and this one at Walgreens for $12.99. To me, this looks like a unicow. Then when I was at Walgreens, I looked at the very top shelf and saw the 16-inch Squishmallow. These were $19.99, but they had a deal where if you buy one, you get the other 50% off. Yeah, so this happened. Some of them have names. On the tag, we learned that this is Francesca. Francesca has 2 jobs on Valentine's Day. She'll deliver your special notes to all of your friends, but her favorite job is to enjoy heart-shaped lollipops when she gets home. And we use Francesca as a pillow. Seriously, they are super squishy. Right now, many of them do have a Valentine's Day theme. These are our cute little owls, our unicorns, cats. I really like the cats. Her name is Rosy and she loves to play in the dirt. Our frogs, this is Philippe. He loves to play hopscotch. And there are tiny ones. I am always looking for stuff for the dollhouse and these are perfect for our dolls. They are clip-ons and we found them at Walgreens for $2.99. But if we just remove the clip, then they become Squishmallows for our dolls. Let's open some Squish Delish blind bags. They look like animals and baked goods. Oh no, wait, that's a turtle hamburger. I've seen these priced at $4.99 and $6.99. They are for ages 6 and up. Inside it contains 1 item and it says this is a toy, not real food. Let's open it up to see what's inside. It's a parrot ice cream cone that we get to squish. Don't worry, the ice cream cone will rise again. This is pretty awesome. You can kind of make out what it is through the bag. I believe this is another ice cream cone. Let's see if I am right. Yes! Turn around. Another parrot ice cream cone. At least they're different colors. So we have a teal and blue one and an orange and yellow because you know how I feel about doubles. Doubles. This does not feel like an ice cream cone. I wonder what it is. Oh, that is adorable! It's a purple panda on a donut. That panda looks super comfy. And look, I'm giving it a little back massage. I think this might be another panda. And it is another panda, but it's a different color. Yay. Okay. So many squishy pandas. And for our last one, I cannot tell what it is, so let's just open it up and find out. It is a pig. That is a really crazy color. It's so bright, it's like, wow. The package says slow to rise. That little piggy's pretty fast. and I just can't bring myself to squish the pandas. They're too cute. These are Fabsomes, and it says Squishy Fashion Fun. They are themed after My Little Pony the movie, and inside of each of these little containers is one Fabsome. Super squishy. And since today is all about squishies, I am excited to see how squishy. Now there is a little perforated edge here that we should be able to tear. I might need to get scissors. Okay, that's better. So we just remove the wrapper, and inside we have Rainbow Dash. And they are pretty squishy. It's kind of a rubbery feel, and there's a little bit of a smell. Whoa, okay. Her head is filled with some kind of liquid, and when you squeeze, it kind of like protrudes from her face. That's different. And yet, I keep squishing it. It is oddly satisfying. Up next, we have... let's see who this is. Oh, it's Pinkie Pie! I absolutely love Pinkie Pie! And she is a little mer pony, or sea pony. That is so cute! She has a squishy head too, but that little tail, oh, I love it. I wonder who this is. Could it be Fluttershy? I love Fluttershy, she's cute. Or is it Twilight Sparkle? We will find out in just a second, and it is Twilight Sparkle. And she is also a sea pony. Oh, okay. These are cute. I love them as a sea pony. This is my absolute favorite. They are so cute. Her hair is awesome. Is that a fin? I hope this is another sea pony. And it is. That looks like Applejack. And she's a sea pony. I am embarrassed to say that I haven't seen the movie yet. I know it is out on DVD now, so I don't know if these are sea ponies or mer ponies. I'm just gonna say sea pony because it's like a seahorse. We have 2 to go, and we're missing Rarity and Fluttershy. So hopefully they are in one of these. And let's find out who is inside here. Wait, there are little tiny holes on the top. So is it possible to try to make out what is in there? I think I see a little touch of yellow. So let's see. Is this Fluttershy? Let's open the package and we will find out. Yes, it is Fluttershy. She has on some workout clothes and I am loving that braid. Hopefully our last pony is Rarity so that we can have a complete set. That would be so awesome. And let's see. Is this Rarity? Yes, it is. And she's a sea pony. So here are all of our My Little Pony the movie friends. They are quite small, standing around 2 inches tall. So they could be used in the dollhouse as toys for dolls. However, they do have a liquid inside of them, so just keep an eye out for that. This is a Smooshy Mushy Bestie blind bag. I found it at Walmart for $2.99. These are Series 1 Bakies, and it says that they are scented. On the back, it says there are 13 to collect. There are Bakies and Munchies. They have the cutest names like Fifi Frosted Toast, Rosy Raspberry Donut, Bella Blueberry Macaron, Suki Strawberry Cake. That is cute. And there is a super rare s'more. They are for ages 6 and up, and let's see what is inside. This is a Rosy Raspberry Donut. It comes with a small ball chain. It has a little hook in the top so you can make it into a keychain, and they are very squishy. Look at that! So cool. These are miniature squishies, and they are the perfect size to be a squishy for an 18-inch doll. or a large squishy for a 10 to 12 inch. It is not difficult to remove the little hook at the top. And the chain can be used as a necklace for our dolls. Awesome! And it does have a faint scent of raspberry. It is mixed in with that very distinctive squishy smell. We have one more blind bag, and it is... seriously, a double. From Soft and Slow Squishies, these are Costume Cuties. They were $6.99 each at Walmart. You get a little animal that you can squeeze into a costume. Boy, that doesn't sound right. No real animals will be harmed in the making of this video. In the top corner, you can see all of the different Costume Cuties to collect. So let's open it up for a closer look. Out of the wrapper, the animals stand about 3 inches tall, and the costumes are just under 4. The animals are squishy, and the costumes, not so much. And to get into the costume, the animal has to go through there. So I have to take this cute little squishy tiger and squish him up. Then try to get him into the costume. And I think he's in there. And he should be like filling out the costume. Go down. I think we have to just help him out a little bit. All right. There you go. Sorry, was that your eye? He is so cute! We have a tiger dressed up as a duck. This is too cute. His little tail. He looks pretty comfy, even though we had to squish him in there. This is a dinosaur, and we're gonna put him in a pink bunny costume. So first, let's squish him up, and then into the costume he goes. It almost looks like the rabbit is eating a dinosaur. Okay. But once it is in its costume, it is so cute. Our last one is a bear. I think it's a bear. Looks like a bear. And its costume is a raccoon. Let's get him ready to go into his costume. They are so unbelievably cute. Absolutely adorable. And because of their size, I would totally use these as stuffed animals in a dollhouse. And I bet we could change their clothes. Let's just take the dinosaur and switch it with the bear. Love it. These are Soft and Slow Squishies, so let's see just how long it takes for one of them to rise. Wow, that's pretty slow. Thank you for joining us. Let us know which squishy was your favorite in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog for Fabsome upcoming giveaways. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.